Welcome to Borneo Empurau Farm and Resort, an educational ecotourism destination located in Sarawak. During our field study, we explore sustainable farming practices, aquaponics, and the diverse animal species found at the farm. This documentary highlights our observations and the ecological knowledge we gained throughout the visit. Borneo Empurau Farm and Resort combines agriculture, aquaculture, and wildlife conservation in one location. It provides visitors with the opportunity to learn about sustainable farming methods while observing a variety of domestic and wild animal species. Ecology is the study of interactions between living organisms and their environment. Ecology is the study of the interactions between living organisms and their environment. Biodiversity is an essential part of ecology because it supports ecosystem stability and helps maintain ecological balance. The objective of this field study are to observe sustainable farming practices used at the farm, to identify the different animal species and their ecological characteristics, to understand the importance of biodiversity and wildlife conservation, and to relate our observations to ecological concepts learned in class. During the field study, information was collected through direct observation, photograph, videos, and information provided on educational signboards. We visited different sections of the farm, including the greenhouse, aquaponics center, and animal enclosures to understand their ecological importance.
Our first stop was the greenhouse, where we learned about smart planting using the fertigation system. Fertigation is an agriculture technique that combines water and fertilizer, delivering both directly to plants through a drip irrigation system. This method supplies nutrients efficiently while reducing water and fertilizer wastage. Here is the fertigation process. Step 1. Cocoa peat is soaked with water and placed into planting containers. Cocoa peat acts as the growing medium because it retains moisture while providing good aeration for plants' roots. Step 2. Seeds are sown and allowed to germinate. Once the seedlings become healthy, they are transplanted into larger planting pots. Step 3. A drip irrigation system is installed to supply water and nutrients directly to the roots, promoting healthy plant growth. And the last step, Step 4. After approximately 60 days, the crops mature and are ready for harvesting and packaging. Fertigation supports sustainability agriculture by conserving water, reducing fertilizer runoff, and minimizing environmental pollution while improving crop production. move to the next, we visit the aquaponics center where we learn about aquaponics. Aquaponics combine aquaculture, which is fish farming, with hydroponics and grow plants without soil. How aquaponic works? Well, fish produce waste that contains ammonia. Beneficial bacteria convert the ammonia into nitrates. Plants absorb these nutrients for growth. The clean water is then returned to the fish tank, creating a natural recycling system. The benefits of aquaponic is to compare conventional farming. Aquaponic use less water, reduce the need for chemical fertilizer, minimize waste, and produce both vegetables and fish in one integrated system.
Next, I would like to explain about chicken life cycle. So before observing the different chicken breeds, we first learn about the chicken life cycle. First, the egg stage. The life cycle begins when an adult hen lays eggs. These eggs are incubated for approximately 21 days before hatching. Next is chicken stage. After the incubation, the chicken hatch from the eggs. So during this stage, it depends on warmth, food, and water for healthy growth. Other than that, the adult stage, as the chick grows, it develops into an adult chicken capable of reproducing. So for the reproduction, adult hens lay eggs again, so that allowing the life cycle to continue. Next, we also observe the Dong Tao chicken, which is from Vietnam. This breed is famous for its unusually thick and large legs, making it one of the most distinctive chicken breeds.
Macam orang Jepang juga.
Lastly, we also observe the turkey, Mikerichs gallopavo. It inhabits open forests and woodland edges, feeds mainly on fruits, vegetables, and grain, and is classified as least concern.
Sabar, sabar. Kami tidak mengacau anda.
Ayam cemani dari Indonesia.
Jap, kau habiskan.
Bornean gibbon. One of the most important species observed was the Bornean gibbon, or its scientific name is Hylobates mulleri. This primate is native to Borneo and lives in tropical rainforests. It feeds mainly on fruits, young leaves, and flowers. The Bornean gibbon is classified as endangered, making conservation efforts essential for its survival. Its long arms allow it to swing efficiently between trees, while its feeding behavior helps disperse seeds through the forest. Fantail pigeon. Another species observed was the fantail pigeon, or its scientific name is Columba livia domestica, originating from India. It is recognized by its fan-shaped tail, which is used for balance and courtship displays.
Indian pigeon.
Lastly, we observe the hill myna, or its scientific name is Dracula religiosa, native to South and Southeast Asia. The bird is well known for its ability to imitate human speech and environmental sounds. It feeds on fruits, nectar, ants, and worms, and contributes to seed dispersal within forest ecosystem.
The field study highlighted the importance of biodiversity and sustainable environmental management. Native species such as the Bornean gibbon play important ecological roles by dispersing seeds and maintaining healthy forest ecosystem. In addition, sustainable farming methods such as fertigation and aquaponics demonstrate how agriculture can produce food efficiently while conserving natural resources and reducing environmental impact. These observations show how biodiversity conservation and sustainable agriculture can work together to support ecosystem health. In conclusion, our visit to Borneo Empurau Farm and Resort provided valuable knowledge about ecology, biodiversity, sustainable agriculture, and wildlife conservation. We learned that every organism, from crops and fish to birds and mammals, has an important role in maintaining ecological balance. This field study also increased our appreciation of sustainable farming practices and the importance of protecting biodiversity for future generations. Based on our observation, we observed expanding conservation programs for native wildlife, improving educational displays for visitors, and continuing to promote sustainable farming methods such as fertigation and aquaponics. Thank you for watching our documentary. We hope this documentary has provided a better understanding of ecology, biodiversity, and sustainable agriculture through the experiences we gained during our field study at Borneo Empurau Farm and Resort.